G'day, I'm Eddie Saraf Realty. I'm at 18 Commodore Drive, Surfers Paradise, and I've just found the Gold Coast's best kept secret. So come with me and let me show you why I'm so excited.
Welcome to Unit 55 Kings Row South Apartments. Located at Paradise Waters, this beautiful home features 3 spacious double bedrooms. The master bedroom features a balcony and views of the Broadwater, while the other 2 double bedrooms enjoy views of the main river and the Gold Coast's famous beaches.
The open style lounge and dining space is absolutely stunning. It's large, it's classy, and there's a fantastic view whichever way you turn. From here the view is across to McIntosh Park, the beautiful Broadwater, the city skyline, and you're in the box seat for the Gold Coast, the G600, or as some of us know it, Indy.
As the day comes to an end and the sun sets over the horizon, sit back, relax, and enjoy the breathtaking views that this home has to offer.
Oops! And the kitchen is my favourite spot. It's spacious, there's modern appliances, granite bench tops, and it's got magic views. So there's a lot more to this gorgeous home than I've showed you today, but right now, it is past the time. Bellissimo.
To arrange a viewing, contact Eddie Saraf Realty on 0755 313171 or at eddiesarafrealty.com.au.